Today, we're going to be checking out the Bully Dog Thruster Throttle Booster for the 2006 to 2023 Chargers. This is a great option for Charger owners looking to eliminate that throttle lag and get quicker pedal response without complex tuning or any permanent modifications. This Bully Dog Thruster is designed to sharpen throttle input by reducing the delay in the system. From factory, many modern vehicles, just like the Charger, have a noticeable hesitation between pressing the gas pedal and the actual throttle response. This thruster is going to help bridge that gap by amplifying the signal from your pedal to the ECU, resulting in quicker acceleration and a more responsive driving experience. One of the standout features of this unit is its adjustability. It includes this nice dash-mounted control knob, allowing you to fine-tune the throttle sensitivity on the fly. Whether you're looking for an aggressive feel for spirited driving or a more subtle bump for everyday use, you can dial it in to match your preference at any specific time. Also, this thruster can improve that takeoff performance, especially helpful for Chargers with larger tires or heavier modifications that can cause a little bit of a sluggish start. And since it's plug and play, you can easily remove it if you need to and return it right to the stock, which is a nice addition if you're in a lease or you want to switch vehicles. The kit includes a compact control module, an OEM wiring harness, and this nice durable control knob housing for in-cabin mounting. All of these components are built for long-term reliability, and the wiring harness uses those factory-style connectors to ensure secure integration with no splicing of wires required. As far as the pricing goes, this is coming in right in that mid to upper $100 price range. That's gonna be a reasonable price for some noticeable performance enhancement that you're gonna get, especially considering the adjustability and the ease of the install. And speaking of installation, on this one, it's gonna be quick and easy. So we're giving this one just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this up and running in about 30 minutes of your time. Now, let's head on out to the shop, and they're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a clip remover tool. What's up, guys? Today we're installing a throttle booster in our Charger, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is take a clip remover tool to remove this carpet panel underneath the dash. We've got a push clip over here and a push clip over here. And then we can pop that down, and we're gonna have to disconnect this connector for our light. And then you can pull this out. So now we're gonna go up to the top of our gas pedal to our connector, press in on that tab to remove it. And then we're gonna take our splitter included in the kit. We're gonna put one end on the connector and one end on the gas pedal. And then press the red locking tab in on that connector, and then we'll get the rest of our wires hooked up. So now we're going to take our 4-wire connector coming off of our splitter and connect it to our switch wires. And then you can take your controller, plug it into the big connector, and then we'll just tuck this up out of the way and run our switch. So now we just need to run our switch, tuck our wires, and then we can reinstall that carpet. So I'm going to take my switch, I'm going to run it so that it comes out of the boot underneath the steering wheel. And I'm just going to tuck the rest of my wires up above where the carpet is going to go. And then we can mount our carpet. So now we'll reinstall the carpet. I'm going to start by plugging in that light. And then we can raise this up into place and line up our clip. And our last thing we need to do is mount our switch. So you can put this wherever you'd like. I'm probably just going to put it right over here on this flat spot on the dash. So we've got some Velcro. I'm just going to peel one side, stick it here, and then we'll line it up where we want to and peel the other side. Peel the backing. stick it down onto your switch, and then we're going to peel the other side. Line it up where you want it to go, and stick it down. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Bully Dog Thruster Throttle Booster for your 2006 to 23 Charger. Thank you for watching, and for all things Charger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.